failed sealant. Oh.
So steel.
Ferrous steel. Aluminum, nothing. Stainless steel, type 316, nothing. Ferrous metal.
Ferrous metal.
Steel, it rusts.
Why would they use that if they weren't supposed to?
It's cheaper, period. And way more readily available. So for the sake of time and cost, compromise performance and safety. This is a guardrail. This is a 6-story building. This is the same guardrail that's on the 6th floor. Probably the same anchors that are on the 6th floor. This is not where you want to skimp.